Space is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that continue to baffle scientists and astronomers alike. Just when we thought we had mapped out our solar system, a new revelation has shaken the foundations of what we thought we knew. The discovery of a 10th planet, a massive celestial body named Gonggong, has turned the world of astronomy upside down. It's not just any planet, either. Gonggong is larger than Pluto, and scientists now believe it could hold the key to understanding a lot more about our solar system's past and the potential for life in the farthest reaches of space. But how did NASA manage to track down this distant world? And why did we overlook it for so long? In 2007, a team of astronomers from the California Institute of Technology discovered Gonggong. It was given the designation 2007-010, but the scientific community soon started referring to it by its more mysterious name, Gonggong. Despite the fact that it was identified nearly 2 decades ago, it took some time for researchers to fully comprehend the significance of this distant object. Gonggong is located in what we call the trans-Neptunian region, which lies far beyond Neptune. The vastness of space and the cold, dark environment out there make it incredibly difficult to observe celestial bodies like Gonggong, so it's no surprise that it took so long for it to be fully studied and understood. Gonggong's discovery is especially significant because it's one of the largest known dwarf planets in the solar system. With a diameter of around 1,535 kilometers, it's not far behind Pluto in size. For years, Pluto was considered the 9th planet of our solar system until the discovery of other small worlds, which led to Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet in 2006. Since then, we've been in the process of identifying many more small, icy worlds in the outer reaches of the solar system, including Gonggong. These worlds are part of a region called the Kuiper Belt, home to many icy objects and dwarf planets. Gonggong, however, stands out because it's much larger than many of the other objects in that area. Despite being so far away, Gonggong is quite fascinating. Scientists have learned a great deal about it, thanks to advanced space telescopes like NASA's Kepler Space Telescope and the Herschel Infrared Space Observatory. They've been able to study its size, rotation, and surface features in great detail, revealing surprising details about its composition and its behavior. Gonggong rotates very slowly, taking nearly 45 hours to complete a full revolution on its axis. That's much slower than almost any other object in our solar system. This slow rotation might provide clues about its history and how it came to be in its current state. One theory is that Gonggong might have collided with another celestial body or dwarf planet long ago, knocking it off its original axis. But it's not just Gonggong's slow rotation that makes it intriguing. The planet also has a striking reddish color, likely caused by tholins, complex organic molecules that form when sunlight interacts with methane and other gases. This reddish hue suggests that Gonggong may have a rich and complex chemical composition, something that surprised many scientists. Before the discovery of these dwarf planets, researchers thought that objects this far from the Sun would be barren, icy rocks. However, Gonggong and other objects in the Kuiper Belt have proven that these distant worlds can have much more going on than previously thought. Another key finding about Gonggong is that it shows signs of having water and methane on its surface, which suggests that it could be an icy world, possibly even geologically active. Scientists believe that there might be cryovolcanism on Gonggong, similar to what has been observed on moons like Jupiter's Europa or Saturn's Enceladus. Cryovolcanism happens when water and other volatiles, like ammonia or methane, freeze beneath the surface and cause eruptions of icy materials. This type of activity is incredibly exciting because it could mean that there's some form of internal heat or energy driving the planet's geology. Even though Gonggong is far from the Sun and there are no giant planets nearby to provide gravitational forces that could generate heat, it seems to be showing signs of activity beneath its icy crust. The discovery of Gonggong has opened up an entire new chapter in the history of astronomy. For decades, we believed that our solar system was mostly made up of the 8 known planets, with Pluto as an outlier. But with the discovery of Gonggong and other trans-Neptunian objects, we're beginning to understand that our solar system is far more complex than we ever imagined. It's not just a collection of 8 planets, but rather a vast and diverse system of worlds, many of which are still waiting to be discovered. Now, many of you might be wondering, could Gonggong be the mysterious Planet X that astronomers have been searching for? For years, there has been speculation about the existence of a massive, unseen planet in the outer reaches of our solar system, sometimes referred to as Planet X or Planet 9. Some researchers believe that this unseen planet could explain unusual gravitational effects in the orbits of Neptune and Uranus. These distortions in the orbits of the ice giants suggest that there might be a large, unseen object pulling on their orbits from afar. While Gonggong is certainly interesting and could provide valuable insights into the formation of our solar system, it's not likely to be the elusive Planet X. Planet X, if it exists, would be much larger than Gonggong and would likely have a much more eccentric orbit, one that could take it far beyond the boundaries of the solar system. One of the things that makes Gonggong so fascinating is that it's part of a group of objects in what is known as the trans-Neptunian region. This area, beyond the orbit of Neptune, is home to many smaller, icy worlds that have been largely unexplored until recently. Along with Gonggong, other dwarf planets like Haumea, Makemake, and Eris also reside in this distant part of the solar system. These objects are incredibly diverse, each with unique characteristics and features. Some are large and round, like Makemake, while others, like Haumea, have an elongated shape due to their rapid rotation. They all provide scientists with valuable insights into the processes that shaped our solar system. One of the most fascinating aspects of the discovery of Gonggong and other trans-Neptunian objects is that they may hold the key to understanding the early solar system. These distant worlds are thought to be some of the most ancient objects in the solar system, essentially frozen time capsules from the early days of our solar system's formation. Studying these objects could help scientists learn more about the building blocks of planets and how the solar system evolved over billions of years. The more we discover about these distant worlds, the more we learn about the processes that shaped not just our own planet, but the entire solar system. Even though Gonggong has been around for billions of years, it remains a mysterious and exciting world. Its slow rotation, its reddish color, its potential for cryovolcanism, and its icy surface all make it a prime target for further study. And, as our technology continues to advance, it's likely that we'll make even more exciting discoveries about this distant world in the years to come. While Gonggong's discovery is thrilling, it's also a reminder of just how much we have yet to learn about the universe. For centuries, astronomers have looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond what we can see. With every new discovery, we're expanding our knowledge and understanding of the cosmos, and Gonggong is just one of the many exciting objects waiting for us to explore. As we continue to probe the farthest reaches of space, who knows what other mysteries we'll uncover? Maybe there are even more hidden planets, dwarf worlds, and celestial bodies waiting to be discovered. The universe is vast, and our exploration of it has only just begun.